Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're dealing with a pesky Facebook payment that you want to cancel, especially with all the updates in 2025, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the process step by step, so you can handle this quickly and without any hassle. Let's dive in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Facebook account on a desktop or the mobile app. It's usually easier on a computer for these settings. Once you're in, head over to the top right corner and click on the arrow next to your profile picture. This will drop down a menu. Select Settings and Privacy, and then choose Settings. Now, in the Settings menu, scroll down until you find the Payments section. Click on that, and you'll see a list of your recent transactions and any active payments or subscriptions. Look for the specific payment you want to cancel. It might be a one-time charge or a recurring one like an ad boost or a group subscription. Once you've found it, click on the payment details. There should be an option that says something like Cancel or Manage. Go ahead and select that. Facebook might ask you to confirm your decision, so read through any prompts carefully to make sure you're okay with losing access to whatever that payment was for. After you confirm, double-check your account to ensure the payment has been canceled. It might take a minute or two to update, but you should see a confirmation message. Pro tip: if you're canceling a subscription, note that you might still be charged for the current billing cycle, so keep an eye on your bank statements. And there you have it. That's how you cancel a Facebook payment in 2025. It's straightforward once you know where to look. If this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tutorials, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.